Welcome to Dream Cars, where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Audi Q5. This third-generation SUV brings a major upgrade in design, tech, and performance. Let's take you on a journey inside and out. Imagine rolling up to a sleek and muscular silhouette. Audi's new premium platform combustion chassis gives the Q5 a more athletic stance, complete with a bold grille, sharper LED matrix headlights, and customizable DRL signatures. Yes, you can pick your light show at the front and rear. Slide around to the profile and you'll notice subtle yet purposeful curves, functional side vents, and wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches for a sporty yet refined look. Even the exhaust tips are real metal, dual rectangular for the Q5 and quad tips on the SQ5, no gimmicks here. Step inside and you're greeted by Audi's digital stage, with up to 3 dazzling screens, an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit, a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, and an optional 10.9-inch passenger display perfect for entertainment or navigation, and a privacy mode ensures the driver isn't distracted. The system runs on Android Automotive, so you can download apps like YouTube, and it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting wraps around the dash, syncing with your signals and adding drama to every turn. Materials are luxurious, soft touch surfaces, leather, wood, aluminum, just what you expect from Audi. Options like ventilated seats, wireless phone charging, USB-C ports up to 100W for rear passengers, and a Bang & Olufsen 16-speaker sound system with active noise cancellation bring comfort and sophistication. Spaciousness is upheld by a wheelbase of about 2.82 meters and overall dimensions of 4.72 x 1.90 x 1.65 meters, delivering around 520 L of cargo space behind the seats and up to 1,473 L with them folded. The rear bench even slides up to 100 mm for added flexibility. Under the hood, the base Q5 packs a lively 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering about 268 horsepower, an increase of around 7 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch and Quattro all-wheel drive. Audi quotes a 0 to 60 time around 5.8s. Move up to the SQ5 and you get a 3.0-liter turbo V6 producing approximately 362 to 368 HP and capable of hitting 0 to 60 in the mid-4-second range. Audi offers adaptive air suspension, standard on Prestige trim and all SQ5 models, with regular or sport-tuned steel suspension available elsewhere, fine-tuning how the Q5 handles. Steering is progressive rack-based, and the chassis features frequency-selective dampers to balance comfort and engagement. On the road, reviewers say the drive feels refined and engaging, more so than before. For green credentials, most markets will see 48-volt mild hybrid support. India and Europe also get a 48-volt setup that powers things like electric parking maneuvers and AC operation when the engine shuts off. A plug-in hybrid is expected later, offering all-electric driving up to around 87 miles per hour, with smart energy recovery systems, regenerative braking paddles, and predictive efficiency tech. Rumors also point to a future fully electric Q5 variant. Tech-wise, expect LEVEL2 driver assistance, adaptive cruise with traffic jam support, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, a heads-up display, Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, remote park assist, and over-the-air software updates. Pricing in the US is projected to begin in the high $40 case to mid-$50 case for the base Q5, while the SQ5 should land near $60,000. Launch timing is estimated mid-2025 globally, with US availability early 2026. So, what makes this generation stand out? The Q5 stays true to its formula, a premium, capable compact SUV. But the 2026 model brings a bold new exterior, digital-first cabin, robust powertrain options, and next-level comfort. It blends tech-savvy sophistication with practicality and driving dynamics, exactly what modern buyers want. On the channel, we can offer in-depth drive impressions, comparisons with BMW X3, Mercedes GLC, Volvo XC60, and our take on how the PHEV and SQ5 stack up. Let us know in the comments which version you'd love to test. If you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2026 Audi Q5, Give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Dream Cars. Hit the bell so you don't miss our future reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep driving.